I don't blood clot play with nobody. You understand? So, as I say, Lava, I have no respect for you whatsoever. And you're not going to see me coming on your
Welcome back viewers and subscribers. We don't know the style though, so right here so wanna get on the latest mix up drama, all in one news. You see it, so we are kick off the review today with Triple X being arrested over in Florida. You see it, please, so subscribe if you're not new, if you not miss out. Alright, so that brother here named Triple X get arrested and they on a $25 bond. So people have it for say, yo, him thief crab legs, right? And you know say first and foremost, but I like to say that them must say, isn't it? I'm not saying that happened, but hopefully him go forward to social media as soon as him get released. Me know the type of person where him be. Is it? And me not have nothing against him, so furthermore, me not have nothing bad to say, just for inform the people them say. Is it right now him get arrested basically. So the information where them take from him when them arrest him, like him age, which are 34, him a male, him born the 7th of the 2nd 1986. Also him height in 6 feet 4, and him get charged for the 2nd degree of first offense and one petty thieving. So that's one of the reasons why it kinda add up for say, yo, you know, a crab leg him thief, cause that kinda petty. But anyways guys, you know the style. You see, if you have no other good source of information, comment down below. You see it, everybody opinion count over here. So next up we are going to talk about Lava son. You don't know Lava has been, you know, keeping the people them entertained from the other day, you see it. So him kinda fitting himself on social media where instead of scrolling you can stop right the song will have vibes. You see it, pre. So you know, say him with invite Amari on the show, and after him get Gully Bop for forward on the show. So Gully Bop end up say some things. You see it, people listen. Gully Bop haven't been seen on social media for quite a long while. So after this, it did kinda come like, you know, something new. You see me? So when Gully Bop say what him have to say and left the place busy, can say some really serious things, but I gotta tell you like guys. Want to comment down below if you get what me and say. Keep it clean also. So Lava get disrespect from Amari in a sense after him interview Gully Bop. So she kind of vexes it. So this is why she listen. I mean, if it's not a this guys, is, you know, a styling thing said.
I don't blood clot play with nobody. You understand? So, as I say, Lava, I have no respect for you whatsoever. And you're not going to see me coming on your show because sometimes we let this little hype get to us too much that we forget that we should have a stand in life. We have to stand for something. And it's sad to know that it's females that follow you and females that sit there and laugh and females that sit there and talk, because more and more they need to realize that we have gone to the dogs. We need to take back our power. We need to take back our strength. You know, I must mention to you that Gully Bob is one of the many children that his mother has. She has supposedly like 9, 11 children. You understand? And it's so sad to know that, you know, that like this. I don't blood clot me on this journey. I see that God have blessed me with a song, and I hope that the door will continue to be open so that I can help single mothers all over the world, especially in my country, Jamaica. Jamaica land, I will forever love. I'm running this race, and believe it or not, I could turn back because the people in the industry, they are very evil. They know not God, but I will continue the journey. And the reason why I choose to continue, because there are enough children. There's a lot of children. There are a lot of children out there suffering, and they need someone like me to speak up for them. I was raped at like 11 years old. I was also molested in life, and I was also I was sexual abused in the worst way. 3, 4 men having intercourse with me all at once. I have work to do, and I'm gonna stay focused.
Yeah, people, so if you're not still watching right here, away Gully Bop say, where kind of touch her can. Not even say it makes you feel disrespected, cause I'm not gonna tell her he was disrespected. Is it? But she disrespect the dog in disrespect her. Is it? So fair enough. But guys, comment on the thing.
People on the live right now, please share the live. Please share the live right now. Golly Bop is here. 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 Abab kill na ni good. Where you going with? Few days ago, me have her over here and she said, she said, you know what, she wish, you know, you and I get back together and know, she look out for you and help you out same way and all look at something. So, me don't know how comes, you know. Lava! She can't help herself much as to go help Golly Bop. Lava, me not tell no lie. Golly Bop breadfruit and mango and Guinea there Jamaica. That be right to the bird that fly. When in America, you see a tree leaf, you don't see no mango or nothing. Yeah. So she can't help me, Lava. She can't help me no time at all. That woman of 14 penny and can't help three of them and one go help Golly Bop.
What's it talking about? It's Lava, please.
Anyway, she can't help Golly Bop, man. Every day she got a prison in America. She a catch food in a supermarket. She have to herself work hard. She have send money come give me, because she don't have none. Amari roast in America, I know when you chink. I know say chink and teenager roast they are foreign. I never know say teenager roast they foreign. I never know say chink they foreign. And I never know say lice still exist. And when we go, yeah, Bumbo Clammers. You see a night time? When we take time wake up and come to Bum and turn on the light. Bumbo Clam is a teenager they mark on the wall. We live here.
Pussy clot. What you talking about? It's Lava, please.
Every minute me feel someone bite me in my sleep. You're a mosquito. Me say top tell lie. We were too cool. Mosquito live a blood clot America. When me take a second pure chink. Me draw me on my neck. I'm see pure blood let me and smell it. A chink. Cause me cover in Jamaica with no chink smell.
Shut and laugh. Have a buzz.
Christ. Anyway, the president of America knows say, some teenagers and thinking of that woman in the house. Remember me tell you, Jesus Christ, she get deported. But me no know which country she come, because she don't come from here. Me never know, sir. John no star. You swear? You never know that thing still in America. Ask Amari. Just ask her. We never ask, but we're going to hotel room and say chink already. In America? Yes. All right. And in a hotel, remember, they sterilize them place you have to not spray them. Judge in Amari also she not sterilize and spray. Yeah. And that's why they camp. When you see them march out after one in the blood clot night, you think it's a Vietnam soldier. Some have AK, some have Winchester, some have Magnum, some have Glock 45. You want to see them. All the things them have put on the antenna. So me say then, Golly Bop, if you don't think it in a really right, if you know say, you know you're this up a woman like that, you know say, you're not it. No, it's no this up. And she disrespect me. Because she take big superstar like Golly Bop and can't go a yard. Before she go introduce me to her picnic them, she go introduce me to Chink and Roach. Which this record began that? Eh? A big disrespect that Lava. Thought the God truth, man. That's true. Yeah, man. Because I don't want God seen you going. Thought the truth, man. Yeah, man. True. That's how I rate you, you. Yeah, because she should have really, like, you know, sanitize and clean the place and spirit the place. Man. And clean up our house, man. And wash our plate, them. Because I never know the worm live a foreign. Hey. So think about the plate them and you know wash the pot them and put them in without soap water, them stink. Every minute me have to go on Jamaica restaurant and go buy food and it still not taste good. God no. Yeah. Can't cook. None of the people in the yard can't cook. Guess what they do now? Eh? Yeah, every minute it's in the run, gone out to the store. Gone buy, wait, macaroni and cheese. Pea macaroni and cheese. And cup soup and ramen. Yeah. Our kids are nice still, but me not tell a lie. Them body look fit, but them weak inside. God, they not get nothing good to eat. God no. Ramen soup, ramen noodle, and macaroni and cheese. Right now, the pin them good at their friend, I dead 300 and she out here palav. Boy, poor thing them. Them better pray for the uncle and the uncle Ranny. So me I say no. Some people are saying it's one like a jealous with she and a new man in an hotel room. Some people are right up on the wall, you know. A new man there. Rascal. I know a new man, that's the same man there. Did I see a man? Oh. She run a film here and give me the 1,000 US for fuck her in her pussy. Oh, yeah. Jamaica? I am that? Yeah. I am see a man that, Colin. They don't know the youth, man. Me know him, you know. Oh. Yeah. And she tell me, say the boy would dead like dog tail. And that she tell me, you know. I'm going to start flinging the real Jamaican cocky for me. But now she put on 200 more US than 1,000. No. Oh. And our ticket money. Yeah. And couldn't go back a foreign. Me no know who the lend her money or who give her money. She must call Uncle Ronnie. One man throw over the Uncle Ronnie. Yeah. Uncle Ronnie sell the Chrysler car. Where Uncle Ronnie did that? He sell the Chrysler. So who's white van that you attack? Who's white van you attack? Oh, she was like white van, man. She have a van, you know. I mean, I'm no license nor ID to blood clots and she have me a drive up and down in America all over. Yeah. She sell the truck. Ask anybody who know her. One white truck, man, she sell it. If you go back and watch some live with me in a them time there, some of my Facebook live them. You see me all drive the truck, man, just sell it. Yeah, the PS is fuck. Just to mind you, just for you. Yeah, yeah. I never know my plan. I know man wicked in the lava. We ain't no man wicked. You see, me take the money and cut. Yeah. No man report me a station over there, you know. And when me reach at the airport, ready to go in a plane and sit down quiet, me see two police are come. So me I get some joke in a plane now. I wonder who them police are come for rascal and me then come for. That's you. Yeah. So one woman say, me I go kill her, cut out her belly and throw her in the wilderness. Yeah? Yeah, but the police now let me go, you know. But you me say I would do them to idiot white boy, man. Bumbo all I go, no. Me a superstar pussy. Oh. I don't know if you can't talk about me a cut out to man belly. You know they did it? Rascal the man then carry me go lock me up. Yeah. When they lock me up, I'm over there so till chop. Man I say you wanna cut and go on here, man. I want she, you know. So it's like the judge over there says, sue him, swear, you can swear. Yeah. It's a judge here we are going. Rana. Go, me no time for